Welcome back to another video. Today we have 5 tools that you can get with the 30% off coupon. That's if you don't have the Inside Trek Club member. If you have the Inside Trek Club membership, you guys can get even more stuff, more expensive stuff than this for cheaper. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, the first thing that we got some pliers. Well, not really some pliers, this is some needle nose pliers. These are the 8-inch. So that's a really good deal. These are okay quality. I wouldn't say these are professional quality. These are not going to be your name brand quality, but you know what? These are very decent. I have a few set of these. Obviously not this kind, but a different kind. But Quinn, they've been so good. These pliers have been great. We'll just alright, so we'll go ahead and take them off the package here. Show you guys what's up. So, like I said, not the best quality out there, but I would say this is a middle grade type of thing. This is not the cheapest. This is not really a cheaper, you know, the cheaper ones, but this is a medium grade. I know Harbor Freight carries some cheap ones, some Pittsburgh cheaper ones. This is middle grade here, Quinn. Alright, the next one down that we have is this. This is something I need every time I remodel my house or something. I need to take off a nail, or I need to take off like a piece of you know, a piece of wood or something, and I can't reach it. This is what I need, and I've been wanting one of these for the longest time ever. I just forgotten to get one. Let's see here. This is what I say. This is a Pittsburgh 15 inches flat pry bar, heavy duty steel nail slot on both ends, 15-inch by 1 3/8 width. So there you go. It does have some features here on the, and does have some a nail, so you guys could take off nails on both sides. So definitely check it out. It's a great little tool if you do remodels in your house and stuff like that, or you know, if you do this professionally. It's just a piece of steel. I mean, you can't get any cheaper than that. All right, the next one down. Yeah, these are newer pliers from Harbor Freight. These are under $10. I mean, there's some bigger ones out there, but these are the 7 inches self-adjusting pliers, Quinn. So these are fairly new. Actually not that old. Spring-loaded design, automatically adjust jaws into proper position. PVC grips prevent hand fatigue. Says heat treating serrated teeth. Carbon steel construction. It's a 1 1/2 jaw capacity. So these are fairly small. I'm not gonna say these are the bigger ones, but these are really nice to have. It's just something, a self-adjusting plier. That way you can just quickly pry it and then just take it off. Let's open this up. Alright, so these are the pliers here. It's really nice. We'll try these out. I never used some of these before, so we'll go ahead and see how these work. So yeah, I guess they do adjust. You guys see how they adjust right there? So once you have it on like that, and they just adjust to a flat surface. So flat surface on both ends. It's a really nice set to have. The next tool that I got was this pipe wrench here. I do have an older house, so I run into drain pipes and you know sewer pipes. I run into sewer pipes and all that stuff. So this is the 18-inch steel pipe wrench, lifetime guarantee. You got item number 61350. So these were under $10 too. I mean, it's a steel. They do have some nicer ones. They do have some aluminum ones. But you know, for the house and just to have it there, just in case you need it, this is something cheap. You always run into those problems, especially if you have an older house. And this is a really nice tool to have. I'll just set this back here. Alright, the next tool that I have It's something that I bought before. It's not a tool that I bought today, but I'll show you guys what I have. So this is the Quinn Screwdriver. I believe you can get a pack of 2 for like $5 or $6 or something like that. You could probably find and get more screwdrivers there. They have different kinds. They have a whole set. They have a smaller set. But you know what? This is my favorite screwdriver. It's an all-time. I do have a review on this screwdriver if you guys want to check it out. It's an old screwdriver video. But this thing has a lot of grip here and a lot of grip here. So this is all rubber, as you guys see here. So 5 tools you guys could get for under $10 with that 30% coupon. Make sure you guys check it out. I'll show you guys what I paid for these 4 items. So these 4 items here, not this one obviously. So what I paid for these 4 items was $21.16. The steel, the 18-inch pipe wrench was $8.99. I paid $6.29 with a 30% off coupon. The self-adjusting pliers were $9.99. I paid $7. The 8-inch long nose pliers, these, the long nose pliers, they were $4.99 and I paid $3.49. The flat pry bar, this thing, one of the first ones, that was $3.99. I paid $2.79. Total of $21.16 with the 8% tax. But yeah, guys, definitely check it out. You know, there's a lot of stuff you guys could get. Obviously, there's some car washing towels, really nice towels. There's, you know, all kinds of screwdrivers, even sockets. As I was gonna get another set of socket sets, but I decided, you know what, I have too many of them already. So, but yeah, you guys get some really nice Pittsburgh socket sets for under $10. Like, they're like $9.99. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. This is the way YouTube runs the platform. Bye, subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one.